Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter the error, Windows could not start the WLAN AutoConfig service on Windows 10, then either read through this article for the registry editor fix or simply watch this video. I'll guide you through the procedure. First of all, press the Windows key in the R button to open the Run window. Type the command regedit and hit enter to open the registry editor window. Now navigate to the key H key local machine, system, current controller set, services, DHCP. I have already done it for you. You can scroll through here. And on the list on the right hand side, you would find an entry called Depend on Service. Double click on it and remove everything in the value data section except for AFD, A lowercase fd. Click on OK and close the registry editor. Now you can check the status of the intended service in the service manager. So in the run window, type services.msc and hit enter. Now scroll down to the WLAN auto option. Let us check. Yep, WLAN AutoConfig, it's running. Isn't this interesting? If you have any doubts with the procedure, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.